glad we did this. And it's perfect. Di ba siya na pawisan? Guys, cute nyo naman. Almost there. Sige, gaya lang kayo. Hello, Warmer It's Ben, yung Mr. Anderson Hazor. Time check, it's 11 p.m. And sana mo tayo punta ang lahat. So today, we're going on a hike to Mount Pinatubo. And honestly, medyo umuulan siya dito sa Manila, no? So sana doon wala. I'm hoping for the best. And sabi namin, tutuloy na lang namin. So, come join us. Update. Hindi pa kami makadecide kung tutuloy kami. Pero parang yung isa sa amin, medyo decided na siya. Napupunta. Despite us thinking about it. I guess it's a sign na wala kami mabuo. So, hanggang dito na lang tong vlog na to. Dito na tuloy. So, update. Nasa Starbucks na kami. And this is really is it. Itutuloy na namin. Kasi kanina sabi ko, bakit na yung last part ng vlog? Hindi na matutuloy. Kasi nga, umuwi na. But looks like we're here. Looks like we made it. Si Sing. Anyways, kumakanta na siya. Ay, kumakain. So, dahil wala pa yung van, mag-watch in my bag na lang tayo. And look at my snacks! We have kind. And another kind. And 3 jellies. So, in short, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and desserts. And we also have waterproof. Thank you so much, Chuchu Beauty. Dahil sa'yo, meron tayong pouch. At DJI na walang memory card. It's a sign. Huwag ko na daw gamitin for today. Next, we also have my towel from Zalora. Thank you so much. A pouch. Nilipat ko yung mga pera dito. In case mabasa. I also have a safety pin kung may masirang damit. Wardrobe malfunction. Kasi sinong mga wardrobe malfunction sa hike? Like, nakita ko sa table. So, go, okay, delete ko na. Oh, we also have shades. And a ziplock in case naman kasi yung ulan. Isunod ko to. Kasi na-trauma na ako sa EK. Diba? Nasira yung mga kagamitan. A hair stick in case mahagard. And this one, I bought it sa Shopee. Pang gano'n. Or, pwede rin siyang headband. Next. Oh, gloves. 2 power banks. And some chocolate for the kids. Diba? Ay! Kasi yun doon daw yung mga Ada kids. Bigyan natin sila. Papagano'n ko. Guys, cat! Nagpa-games.
Wala ka bang dinala for the...
Ikaw may dala ka?
Meron.
Aww. Oh, we also have this one. Decogen for mom. Ayun, basta yun na yun.
Hello po. Ako nga po pala si Eric. Okay, lakad ko.
Time check. It's 4:12. And ano oras yung alis natin? 5:30 pa, no? 5:30. Papala kami alis. Breakfast. First snack na kain na natin. Next snack in 1 hour. Pwede pala mag-cup noodles dito. Magka-cup noodles na ako. Breakfast time. Oo, nagawin tayong dalawa. Ito si Boko. Sabihan natin si Kuya. You're the one. We're gonna ride this one or that one. Ay, para ka nasa Kenya. Nakapila na kayo. Who wants chocolate? Wait lang, mukha muna tayo. Ang cute nyo naman. Nakadalawa na sila. Ay! Sige, ganyan lang kayo. Habang ako nandito, ayun, B. Wait na ka na sa water. Which is like, go James, pakita mo sino ka. This is another episode of Nagbayad para mapagod. Kayo no idea ba to? Sa kanya. Ay, ikaw yung may gusto ha. Pero sige, ako na din. Imbis na nasa bahay, nandito kami. Nagbabayad para mapagod. Kaya na tayo na sa Jurassic Park with an F. Yan. So ano na, ilan na tong kuya malapit?
1 kilometer na lang.
Yay! We're 1 kilometer to go! Yay! Hey, 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 hey! Charing. Uy! Si vlog pa kasi. Yan ang aming tour guide, giving us some entertainment and also some guidance. Thank you so much, Kuya. Felt like you said come true. Ay, cute. Hello. Pakataas. Charing. Okay. Sabi na. Steroids. Almost there. Bukas. Undersize na tayo. Yay! Ay, wala pa pala. Whoa, it's like Canada. So nice. Welcome, Kuya. Salamat sa pagdala sa amin dito. From now on, helicopter. Charing. Hey, we're the first ones, Kuya. Anong mafe-feel mo na first kami?
Congratulations. First time.
Well, nauna ka. Oh, you're the one. Hey, you're the one. So this is the crater. Boosh, ang ganda. Hindi na kami nakababa doon kasi 300 steps pala. At hindi namin yung kakayanin B. So, dito na lang. Hey, it's so pretty. Honestly, mas madali siya than the Daraitan one that we did. So, glad we did this. And it's perfect. Di ako siya pawisan ng OA tulad sa Daraitan. The one. This is the panoramic view of everything. Boosh. Ang ganda. Wallpaper worthy. Pabalik na kami ngayon. And this is the view. Forgot to show you guys kanina. Kasi medyo further madali kami. And good thing naman kasi nauna kami sa taas. So at least we got a lot of empty crater pictures. The view, this is them. Oops. Tik pang mahulog ka ka-vlog. I wrote our initials and the date.